Hey, what is going on, everyone? It is fantastic to see you all again. I've gotten several requests from people saying that they really like my listening lessons, but the videos that I use are a little bit too difficult. So today I have a pretty easy video with pretty simple vocabulary. So this should be a much easier listening lesson for you guys. We are going to use a video from the channel called Hiho Kids. Their videos are really cute. They're all featuring small American kids in different funny situations. For this video, the kids get to go to a hair salon and do their hair however they want. It's a simple video, but it still is great listening practice. So watch the clips and then answer the questions that I'll ask.
What color did you want to do in this piece?
Rainbow.
All right. Hello. How are you?
Good.
I'm Carrie.
I'm Carly. I'm Helena.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So we're dyeing your hair today?
Yes.
What color do you want to do?
Purple.
You think purple?
Red right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then blue right here.
Uh-huh. You want all of them?
Yes. Except for black and brown.
Okay, I can do that. Okay, I'm gonna go mix some colors, okay?
Got it.
What color are you getting your hair?
Rainbow.
Are you excited?
Yes. Looks slimy.
Ready?
Yep.
What color is this?
Red.
Yay!
Like blood. Ah!
Brayden, how do you feel?
Scared. What are you doing?
I'm sectioning out the pieces that are going to be colored.
Really, I look like a granny.
I know. All right, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put the purple on.
Okay.
Okay guys, hopefully you were able to understand most of that. Now let's do some speaking practice. I want you to pause this video and summarize what you just watched. Speak your answer. You can record it if you want to, and then you'll compare the answer that you said to the example answer that I will share with you next. Okay, here's an example summary. In this video clip, Carrie, the hairstylist, met the three kids. The kids explained how they want their hair to be dyed. Carly wanted purple hair, Brayden wanted red and blue hair, and Elena wanted rainbow hair. Now let's do some listening practice. Listen and write down what you hear Carrie say in this clip.
So we're dyeing your hair today?
Yes.
What color do you want to do?
Purple.
I'll play that again.
So we're dyeing your hair today?
Yes.
What color do you want to do?
Purple.
Okay, here's your answer. Carrie says, so we're dyeing your hair today. What color do you want to do?
So we're dyeing your hair today?
Yes.
What color do you want to do?
Purple.
Now listen for what Elena says here.
Yes. Except for black and brown.
Let's hear that again.
Yes. Except for black and brown.
She says, yes, except for black and brown. And except, that is just short for except. So yes, except for black and brown.
Yes. Except for black and brown.
Now listen and write down what Brayden says here.
Really, I look like a granny.
Let's listen again.
Really, I look like a granny.
He says, really, I look like a granny.
Really, I look like a granny.
Now for some vocabulary. The word dream as an adjective, when it is not about sleeping, it means like the ideal or best ever. So a Rolls Royce, that's a really fancy car, that is my dream car. It's the best car for me and the car that I wish or hope that I can have. So in the title, it says the kids get the hair color of their wildest dreams. That's like the best hair color for them that they really wanted to have. Dye or color, they're usually nouns, but they can also be verbs, and they just mean to change the color of something. To section something as a verb, it means to divide or separate it into sections. And then granny, like Braden said, that he looks like a granny, that is slang for grandma. Let's watch the second clip.
It just feels like you're painting my hair.
Yeah, it's like an art project.
Is it like gonna be frosting?
Yeah.
Does it taste good?
No.
Ah!
Looks cool already.
We can eat this?
No.
Oh. Oh, that looks so good. Okay.
Oh, don't move or I'll get it on your face.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, this smells like orange. Oranges.
Do you want to smell?
Blueberry. How long will this color last?
It will probably last for at least a couple of washes. Okay, we're gonna do the red now. Okay, I'm gonna do the rainbow color. What color do you want to do first?
Orange,
Okay.
yellow,
That's good.
green, blue,
Well, green and blue can come.
purple, pink. I'm scared.
Why? We're doing the same thing we did on the other side.
Oh. Do your arms get tired?
They do.
I just got some stuff.
Oh! Do you feel fancy?
Yes. I cannot touch any side. Do you like my purple hair? This is drying off my hair. What happens next?
We're gonna wash it.
Out?
Yeah!
Wash this whole thing out?
Okay.
Okay, so now I want you to summarize what you just watched and what you think will happen next. Pause the video again and then compare your answer to my example. So Carrie painted the dye into the kid's hair and let it dry. Now she's about to wash the dye out to reveal their new hair colors. And one thing you might not know, if you use about to before a verb, it means that this verb will happen very soon. So if you will do something very soon, you are about to do that thing. Now for some listening practice. Listen and write down what Braden says here.
Does it taste good?
No.
Let's listen again.
Does it taste good?
No.
He says, "Does it taste good?"
Does it taste good?
No.
Now listen for what Carly says.
How long will this color last?
Let's hear that again.
How long will this color last?
She says, "How long will this color last?"
How long will this color last?
Now listen and write down what Carrie says.
It will probably last for at least a couple of washes.
Let's hear that again.
It will probably last for at least a couple of washes.
She says it will probably last for at least a couple of washes.
It will probably last for at least a couple of washes.
And if you don't know, last as a verb, it means the length of time that something will happen. For example, I could say the meeting lasted 2 hours. That's like the length of time that the meeting was happening was 2 hours. Now listen for what Braden says here.
I cannot touch any side.
Let's hear that again.
I cannot touch any side.
He says, "I cannot touch any side." And he's talking about the sides of his head.
I cannot touch any side.
One vocab word you might not know. Tickle as a verb, that means to touch someone lightly so that it makes them laugh or makes them feel a little bit itchy or uncomfortable, just like in that photo.
Okay, are you ready to rinse your hair?
Yes.
Okay, let me know if this gets too hot or too cold.
It's a rainbow?
Yeah, it's rainbow.
Wow.
I know. We're gonna take these clips out so you don't look like a granny anymore.
This feels good. Ooh. Righteous.
Go back as far as you can, as far as you can.
Righteous. Righteous.
Okay.
My head feels kind of weird. So is there still dye in it?
Yep. Got it. Oh, do you see all the colors?
Yes. My neck itches.
It does.
Where is the hair dryer?
It's right here.
Really warm in my face. Do that again. No, this is not much like it.
Let's jump into the listening practice. Listen and write down what Carly says here.
My head feels kind of weird.
Let's hear that again.
My head feels kind of weird.
She says, my head feels kinda weird.
My head feels kind of weird.
Now listen for what Braden says.
So is there still dye in it?
Yep.
Let's hear it again.
So is there still dye in it?
Yep.
He says, so is there still dye in it?
So is there still dye in it?
Yep.
Now listen for what Carrie says here.
Oh, do you see all the colors?
Yes.
Let's hear that again.
Oh, do you see all the colors?
Yes.
She says, ooh, do you see all the colors?
Oh, do you see all the colors?
Yes.
Two vocab words. Rinse as a verb. It means to pour water onto something. Usually this is done in the sink. And with rinse, usually it's only water. If you also are using soap, you would say wash. Righteous, that's what Braden was saying when she was rinsing his hair. That is slang and it just means like awesome or cool. Okay, I have one more clip.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, tell me what you think.
It's awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Here you go. You're purple.
Yay!
What do you think?
Good.
And open them. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love it?
10 billion.
Thank you.
Thank you. You love my hair? Because I do. Thank you for watching Hiho Kids. Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch more videos.
And to learn more about our Salon taffy, check out the link in the description. Bye, thank you.
Okay, let's just jump into the listening practice again. So listen for what Braden says here.
It's awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'll play that again.
It's awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
He says, it's awesome. Thank you so much.
It's awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Now listen for what Carrie says.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love it?
Let's hear that again.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love it?
She says, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love it?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love it?
Last one. Listen for what Elena says here.
Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch more videos.
Let's hear that again.
Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch more videos.
She says, click here to describe, click here to watch more videos.
Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch more videos.
And that's really cute. Describe is actually the wrong word. She meant to say subscribe. So click here to subscribe, click here to watch more videos. A few more vocab words. To check something out. As a verb phrase, that means to look at, examine, or experience something. So sometimes I say, thank you for checking out my video. That's like, thank you for looking at and watching and experiencing my video. A scale of 1 to 10. This is a popular phrase to help someone explain how much they like or dislike something. So usually, 1 would mean that it's horrible, you hate it, and 10 would be that it's amazing and you love it. And they're asking for your opinion. So if you think it's pretty good, you might say 6 or 7. If you don't really like it, maybe you'd say 3. If you love it, maybe you would say 9 or 10. So hopefully, on a scale of 1 to 10, you think this video is a 10. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any comments, drop them below. I do my best to read and respond to pretty much every comment you guys make. Keep studying hard, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.